Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Vums Sports. It is a brand new market vlog. I am heading into Lagos Idumota Market and I am just driving now to the UBA car park where I usually park. But first, let me call my Alaboro woman and make sure she's in the market and let her know that I'm pretty close to the market right now.
My love, and they come UBA car park now, and they come market.
The love you guys show my market vlog is massive. Thank you guys so much. I would pick up my tickets before I head into the UBA car park, making sure that my car is parked in a very secured space. For smaller cars, it's 500 depending on how many hours you spend inside the market, and bigger cars are about 700 naira. But this guy was so bubbly and so happy that I was videoing him.
Hey guys, morning. How you guys doing? And welcome back to Idumota Market vlog. I know you guys enjoy this vlog because you guys get to see the current prices in the market, but there's a strike that is about to happen. It may happen, it may not happen in Nigeria because the government is threatening the people. They should not go on strike. They should not follow the Kenyans and think that they're going to get the same result, so it may happen, it may not happen. There's already a little bit of fuel scarcity. As I was coming, I was seeing a lot of fuel queue. So my husband was saying that let's just buy everything that we need because there is a possibility of this strike happening. So let's just buy everything that we need in the market today. So I'm here, and fingers crossed, I will buy diapers, I'll buy everything we need. I will just see, I don't want any uncertainty, and there probably might be something that will be lacking and is not available. But anyways guys, let me head straight into the market and start shopping. Welcome back again to this vlog, and I trust you guys would enjoy watching. So let's go and shop. You guys, I'm here with my Balogun Market bag. You strap it to the front, and I'm here with my friend as well. She's laughing at my bathroom slipper. Let me show you guys. That's basically what you need to come into this market, because no fancy. You are here to rugged it out. Let's go.
I had a couple of other things to buy that were not full stuff, but I told myself I was not going to make the mistake I made at the market last time, and I fell sick. So I had come earlier to the Balogun market to pick up a few things before today so that I can focus on just food and provision. I proceeded to my customer. Technically, I told you that it's customers that cheat very well, to use the POS. But unbelievable how much he was charging me to just withdraw 200,000 naira for starters. Here I was just arguing with him and telling him he shouldn't bother, he should just give me back my card. I'll go into the market and go and do the withdrawal myself. And he kept convincing me to, but I said no. While walking down the street, I saw these plantains and a bunch was going for 5,000 naira. I negotiated. I also wanted to use POS here, but the guy was also funny as well. So I just paid the lady for the plantain. Guess how much? I paid 5,000 naira for one bunch of plantain. So I ended up taking 2 bunch of plantain. And yeah, it was about 10,000 for the both bunch. But you guys know how we do it in this channel. When I get back home, I will do proper unboxing for you guys and fill you guys in on how much I bought each and every item that I got in the market today. So let's go in and start shopping. I found my Alaboro woman. She was just already waiting for me. And thank you guys so much. She's been gisting me and calling me all the time. Any of my subscriber reaches out to her to follow her into the market. And ever since that incident that happened, man, you guys have shown her so much love. Entering into the market, I found these expression people. Yes, expression attachments. They tried to tell me no videoing, but I still went ahead and videoed because this is content. I bought 2 attachments as they were doing buy any attachment from them and then you would braid your hair for free. One was about 3,200 naira. right? No, one was about 3,000 naira, and I ended up buying the two colors I need. This tomato, a painter of this tomato was going for 7,000 naira, but we did not want this particular one. This is green pepper, green peas. I usually buy this from under the bridge, but I didn't see them under the bridge. They had pushed them to another area. So I finally met my customer and I bought carrots, I bought green pepper, I bought yams, and I bought a lot of things. But anyways, you guys just enjoy the shopping. After this section, I headed into the provision section to buy other things that I wanted as well. But just enjoy the shopping. 500. Thing about me in this market is that when I find someone, I usually just always stick with them. This is my Nigerian snack lady. She has been telling me that you guys have been patronizing her, and she's not hidden. Once you enter into the provision section, she's literally like the first stores you would see, or rather amongst the first stores you would see. So I stopped to buy my African snacks, and I was just videoing her. She was super excited. You guys, I headed into buying, tin tomatoes, big beans, sweet corn, and just a lot of things that I needed to buy and stock up the house. But anyways, guys, just enjoy watching, because after I'm done, you know how we do it. You guys, I'm still in the market. The prices of before, it's not the same price that it is right now. My customers say market no dey for one price. You guys won't believe that this my Alaboro man has 3 grown-up children in their 20s. We just got gisting this day and it's well. But anyways, I'm done shopping and I'm just dancing and heading home because my husband has been calling at this point. We have date night, so I was just super excited to go home. Let's unbox together now. So I got this small pel pad for 2,700 naira. Golden Moon 2,900. Chocolate chip biscuits was 1,800 naira. Cashew nut was 4,000 naira for a bottle, and I bought 2 bottles. Fresh yo was going for 3,000 naira for a pack, and then Ribena was going for 3,000 naira. Nutri-Bomb was going for 1,700. Kaima is not a big fan of it anymore, so I bought 2. Expression attachments was going for 3,000 naira each, and I bought color 30 and color 33 as well, just to make my hair. And then I bought a sachet roll of this Dano milk for 1,000. Golden penny sugar was going for 1,200. Angel white was going for 1,200. I bought just 2 because we have a lot at home. Nylon was going for 350 each, and the roll of peak was going for 1,400, and I bought about 5 bags that we usually keep at home. Then 123 was going for 3,900, and I bought half a carton, which is 6. Morphix was going for 9,000 naira. A bunch of these plantain you saw me buying earlier was going for 5,000 naira, and I bought a bunch of ripe one and unripe one as well. Golden penny 5-liter oil was going for 9,500. Ketchup 1,500. Curry was going for 800. My favorite curry of all time, Docus. Hens was going for 600 naira for each. Sweet corn was going for 600 naira for each. No Maggi cubes was going for 1,400. A roll of Gino paste was going for 700. One of chicken, lasso chicken was going for 700. I bought about 5. Spaghetti was going for 1,000. Seasoning powder was going for 1,500. Golden Terra sachet oil, one of the best I've used in frying, was going for 2,200. I highly recommend it. And then chocolate butter was going for 1,600. You guys, Indomie is now 8,500 Nigeria. This watermelon was going for 1,700. A custard paint of this Irish potato was going for 5,000 naira, and I bought 1 custard paint. Now, this tatashe and shombo that you can see in this bowl all was going for 15,000 naira. So I bought it 7575 each. This is green pepper. It's used to make ofada. I bought it for 4,500. Custard of sweet potato was going for 2,500. You guys, I bought these 3 tiny yams with a bag for 10,000 naira. It was unbelievable. New yams are out, but I still prefer my old yams. I bought this avocado for 1,500 naira each. I bought all of this green pepper for 2,000 naira. I bought carrots as well. All you can see here is 2,000 naira. I bought cucumbers for 200 naira each. Green pepper and spring onions, all was 500. I'm a Viva girl forever. Viva was going for 1,006. I bought just 3. Mama Lemon was 1,500. Viva Waste Main Lion 1,200. Molten was going for 1,500 to spray all the multi-sclerosis rainy season. Hypo was going for 2,500. Hapic was going for 3,000 naira. You guys, all this momo that you can see was going for 3,000 naira, including the shaki as well. You guys, all of this meat, you guys blasted me in my last market video. Oh my god, Boomsy, he cheated you. Oh, that meat was not worth the price, but all of this was 25,000. Let me know how I did in the comment section. Custard, I bought 2 custard paints of tomato for 15,000. You guys, a paint of gari is 3,800. I remember buying this thing vividly for 1,500. I mean, I just feel like going to Ore. I don't know if that place is still there, and just pick a bag of gari and just bring it to this Lagos and keep it in my store. But anyways, I bought 2 painters that will last us for the month, because you guys know that my children in this house, they love their eba and soup. They don't joke with it at all. For you guys, I'm sure those of you that are watching me from diaspora that have left Nigeria for a while will be wondering, oh my god, how did Gary enter 3,800 for one? Now let me even tell you guys about beans. Beans is now 9,000 naira for, like, a whole 9,000 naira for beans. People used to classify beans as poor man food back then, but it is not poor man food anymore. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. In total, I spent 325,000 naira, and just let me know if all I got was a good buy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.